sixth-year medical student here at BAU International University, Batumi. Today I will show you our innovative technology, the Body Interact. So the Body Interact is a new technology that allows us, the medical students and the future doctors, to deal with clinical cases as it's in real life. All of these cases are according to the American guidelines, and we can choose any case from a different pathology or different organ systems, and we can choose what to do in the case as it's in real life. For instance, we can order blood tests, we can do chest x-rays, CT scans, and so on. So here's an example of a case we will be solving together right now. We can see all the needed information first of all about this patient.
57-year-old man has complaints of a cough that started 7 days ago. He also has had a fever and progressive shortness of breath for the past 2 days.
So to start examining our patient here, we need to ask about the medical history first of all. So we can see here the different options, the medical condition of the patient, the medicational history, drug history, the nutrition and risk factors. So let's ask questions together.
I have been coughing for 1 week and it hasn't improved. Also, I'm getting quite high lately.
So to move on with the physical examination, we can choose what we want to examine. So here we have different options. Let's say our patient in this case needs cardiac auscultation. So we can come here and press on the heart auscultation and we can auscultate the patient. Okay, and to continue with the examination, let's say if our patient needs a chest x-ray, we can order here from the imaging. So also we have different options if we need them, such as lab tests, CBCs and so on. But let's order a chest x-ray for our patient here.
X-ray, we only need to bring the machine here.
So here's our chest x-ray. We can check for any abnormalities here. So after we ordered the tests we need, if we need to do any intervention, for instance, if our patient here has a low saturation and we need to give him an oxygen, we can come to the section of interventions and we can order a high flow mask and we can choose the dose from the options here. So like this.
High flow mask in place.
And it will be like this. Once we finish our case, we need to set a diagnosis for this patient among the following options. So according to what we saw, to the examinations we did, we can choose a diagnosis and we check our diagnosis correct. So it's correct here, and once we continue, it will give us a feedback of all the things we did wrong or right in order to improve ourselves. We are very proud to have such amazing technology in our university because it helps us and gives us the opportunity to solve real cases similar to real practical life. Join us and take your medical education to the next level with the Body Interact program at BAU International University.